Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalakanta ya Jingwan jong ka jela ka kerdan ba Shatrai ba phai jong performance grading index ne PGI jong ka puli puthi na ka benta usnam arajar arpulai arpusau ta ka bakadau bakane ka dei namar ka jingbom phai khmat jong ki bor sinchar balalet da ki posnam menta. Menteri Ketanat Puli Puthi ulo ong bakani ka jingken ka bamenta ka penpau ka jingkta ka bakalum hakini ki lai pau hadu sa posnam namar ka jingduna ha ka jingbeitingka ha kalyang Ketanat Puli Puthi. Usang ma ulo ong bakidan palat arajar san spa tali ki skul ki baladep pen baha thamai hapo jong kani ka Sorkar pat kedau baki thup kerdan baper jong ki skul barabor ki jia sam ya ka jo ka campus ya ka bala ban sngu thu bakala ha ka jing bishar jong ka PGI ula pen pau ka jing kermen scam ba ki jing pen kala bak dangshan kin sa pau ki jing lom jing ken ki bahadien habut.
Look, even the learning outcome. I think only last 2 years back we have started a reform mission, and this will not reflect the figure today. No, it will reflect maybe in the years to come. So, in the learning outcome, in the infrastructure, only in the last year, we have constructed more than 2,000 plus newly schools. It will not reflect now because this is ongoing. Some has been completed, some are not, right? So these things will figure in the district. But we have started and we have done and we are doing and we continue to complete it till we achieve our objective. Yeah. Politicians, some leaders criticize all this. Yeah, this may be true. Some parties used to criticize the government. Yes, they do. But the point is, this may be true and may not be true. But we have to understand first. Look, the figure reflect today. It's an outcome of the government put efforts in the last 20-30 years. Because in the last 20-30 years, government of Meghalaya did not put any efforts to reform, to streamline the education system, to build the infrastructure, right? Completely left abandoned. In last 20-30 years in the governance of the education department, government did not seriously consider to build the infrastructure. Completely in a mess. There is no electricity, there is no blackboard, there is no roof, there is no classroom. The building is completely dilapidated condition. No at all. There is no enrollment also. And that many teachers don't go to the schools. All this in the last 20-30 years, these things being reflected today. Knowing of all this, Honorable Chief Minister has reviewed the whole scenario of all this and reviewed and started in last 30 years. The government has started building the infrastructure of all the government's institutions. In last 2-3 years, more than 2,700 schools has been renovated, and more than about 700-800 schools has been newly constructed. All the government's schools has been newly constructed, and we have given the toilet, we have we are giving the smart classroom, and we have all teachers is going to schools today. But this things figure will reflect maybe after 2 years from now. So this is what we are seeing the result today. It's about hard work of yesterday. What our work has been done today, it will reflect tomorrow and the day after. This shows, and you will know the result what we are doing and what we have done today. So look, whoever, which party, which individual has said criticize the government for this, you have to look back. Who was in the power for last 10-15 years ago? You should also understand and you should also take responsibility. It is yours. It is your work that being reflected today. But what has been done today, you will see the result will reflect the figure tomorrow. So this is what, of course, this PGI ranking is all talk about the infrastructure, it's all about the learning outcome, we talk about the equity. There are many criteria, many factors, right? So suppose in our state, we do not need electricity in the classroom, but in the ministry, being reflected, there is no electricity in the class. Look in Rajasthan. If we talk in Rajasthan, the classroom they need a AC room, but in our state in Shillong, neither we need fan nor we need the AC. Right? We have a good environment, but however, for the ministry, it is reflect there is no electricity like this. So, and we have in one campus there are 4-5 schools, categories of school: SSA, ADO, deficit, government, RMSA, and private. There are 4 5 categories in one campus. We have a what you call, there are 6 schools in a campus, in the same campus, having a different UDIs. But however, practically we are using the same library, same toilet, same classroom, same common room, same computer, same road, same power, and same playground. Or however, if it is reflect but it is in one campus. If it is reflect for one school, it will be 100% in electricity, library, computer, classroom, toilet, 100% in all. But however, this has to be reflect for the six schools. Then the figure come down. If it is six, I mean 1 divided by 6. This is only about what you call 20, 22, 23%. If it is for if in the same category, if it is only one category of school, it will have 100% electricity, 100% the library, computer, toilet, etc., etc. But since it is divided into six, for the 6 different unit schools in the same campus, this has become 22, 23%. Therefore, this figure is being reflected like this also. But however, we are going to streamline all this under the dynamic leadership of the chief minister. We are doing all reform. Our chief minister and the governance, we are all committed to bring the reform, and we initiated, and you will see the result tomorrow and day after.